Welcome back to Daytime Live, and we're joined by the newly crowned. She'll be joining our previous queen. She is Miss Universe Jamaica, Daena Soaries.
Hi, Daena.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Daena. Daena, did you know that Sanique was...
Daena, I love the fact that you have on your crown. Love it. Crown and sash and
every
well
opportunity.
prepared. Yes, I love it.
Daena, she's cutting me, but I'm just waiting until she stops for me to
Daena,
ask. Well, I'll talk whenever I get a chance.
I sense some tension.
Daena, she actually was in the competition.
What? Really?
And guess what happened?
What happened?
She was supposed to have won.
Really? What
You know
happened?
your
You have to
most
give me the
embarrassing
tea now.
moment.
We'll talk
I think
afterwards. We will talk
We'll
afterwards.
get into it.
You can continue now, Miss Vasiana.
I think this is it. I think this is my most embarrassing moment with Duffland Shepherd.
Oh,
So,
no.
Daena, my darling,
Trust
Nope.
me.
has it all set in? Has it all set in? You are
No.
Miss. Oh, she said no. It's not set in
No.
yet.
Not at all. I went out the other day and someone approached me like, congrats, you were amazing. And I was looking at them like, what are you talking about? What did I do? Oh,
You're
snap.
like, oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Thank you.
Daena, tell me a little bit about your past. Where in Jamaica are you from? And did you always had your sights set on becoming, representing Jamaica in whichever form, particularly Miss Universe Jamaica?
Well, I'm from the Breadbasket Parish, St. Elizabeth. I've grown up in St. Elizabeth my whole life. And it's a big part of my personality. I come from a big family. Everyone down there is a big part of our raising and development. So I feel like St. Elizabeth is a big part of my brand. Mm-hmm. I've always been a pageant fan as well, although I was a bit of a tomboy. My dad wanted me to enter from years ago. So I decided to entertain him, and here we are now.
All right, so then I want you to go back to the moment.
Mm-hmm.
There you are, hearing the announcements, right? Yes, girl. And then you hear that you are Miss Universe Jamaica 2021. In that moment, can you recall what you were thinking, what you were feeling? If you did want to drop a little bit, what was happening?
Brain empty.
Brain empty.
I wish I was joking. I didn't see it coming at all. I think I went into the competition open to anything that would come towards me. So I told myself pretty early on that I didn't need to win the crown to win. So when it actually ended up happening, I was just like, okay, this is the plan. This is where I'm meant to be. So let's go. Let's start the hard work now.
Awesome.
A lot of persons think that pageants are easy. You just put on clothes, you answer a couple of questions. Tell me, what was the hardest part of your journey?
Well, a big part of my preparation was actually the mental aspect of it, which I think is probably the hardest thing. When you're competing with 9 other amazing ladies who are educated, they have these amazing platforms, they're amazing people. You have to remind yourself that I'm enough and I deserve to be here, and there's beauty in my own uniqueness. So I think that's probably the hardest part of competing, because you're not the only pretty girl there, you're not the only smart girl there. You have to really show up and show out.
Mm-hmm. And even the mindset of turning that word competition into a different meaning for you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yeah. All right.
Yes.
So, of course, you couldn't do this by yourself. And
No,
especially now
never.
in COVID time, where the competition was very, very different, right?
Yes.
Your support system, do you have anybody you want to thank for holding you on the path, being there by your side as you went through it?
Well, first off, I have to thank my organization, the Miss Universe Jamaica organization. They have been absolutely stellar at everything. Given every obstacle that we've faced so far, they've still found a way to push through and really advocate for us ladies. And by extension, my sponsor, Icon Mega Store, now I have a lot more duties to fulfill, but I'll never forget their kindness. They actually sponsored me since my central pageant. And I would love to thank everyone that's been reaching out, family, all of my close-knit family, thank you so much. I'm pretty sure they're watching right now. We have a little family group where I send all my stuff in and they remind everyone of when I'm coming on.
So
I like
somewhere right now, the family will go, she called their names!
Oh, you know so.
Well, that's fine though. They should be
Yeah.
proud of you.
Thank
should
you.
December 12th.
Well, December 12th is a
Yeah.
big day,
Yeah.
and you're going to be in Israel. That's where the competition will
Yes.
be held this year. What are you looking forward to the most?
Honestly, just living out 14-year-old Daena's dream of competing at Miss Universe. You know, we're gonna meet so many different ladies from so many backgrounds, and I feel like integrating with other cultures and interacting with other cultures is really important in developing ourselves holistically. So I'm very honored for the opportunity to go to Israel and experience their way of life, and to even meet the Miss Universe organization and all the beautiful ladies as well.
And probably build some friendships, not true?
Yes.
Sanik, if you could determine where it is your
You
international
remember the
competition.
question that you got, Daena? You remember your question the night?
I'm gonna let you.
I'm going to ask him. I'm going to ask you.
No, you remember your question?
Dana, you want me to ask her the question?
No, we can ask when we come back. Remember, you're staying with us, Dana, so it's
Yes,
not like
yes.
there isn't time.
I can ask now
To
since
ask.
we're going to. Like,
Right.
if where would you have wanted your the grand competition to be held?
Outside, wow, I never
But she's going
thought
to
about
Israel.
that.
Where would you?
Probably Italy.
Italy?
And let me tell you why. Because
Oh,
my surname is
yeah.
Italian.
Right.
So
Or you,
I have this
you don't
thing
want
where,
to influence the Vassianas.
No. I want to go back to Italy.
No, that's
Just,
no,
no,
wait.
no,
I
me
know
no business.
Italian,
Listen,
that
it no
stop, it's
matter,
not
me I
Italian
try,
accent.
work with
Stop
it, no brethren.
I work with it.
and just see if I could find some kind of roots of the Vassiana
And who are the
name.
persons who you'd have done?
Clearly, my parents, my family, God, friends, a whole list of people.
No, we have time.
We don't have no time. We don't have no time at TV.
Dave, I'm trying to get her
He's
to.
trying to draw me out, Daena.
Trying to get her out.
No, and
Yes.
it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So, Daena, we will be here cheering you on while you are
you.
in Israel, right?
And-
But
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and-
you can't leave right now, you know.
Because we're going to draw you out a
No.
little bit.
You know
Yes.
why? You know how we're gonna do that?
Let's talk about it.
Okay, all right. Just stay. When we come back, we'll tell you the rest.
You like
okay?
games? You like games?
Yes, I love games.
Okay, woo. Yes, I don't think any woman doesn't like games. Anyway, we'll be playing a game called Marry, Date, or Sip. Let's see.
This is gonna be funny.
We'll be playing after we come back from this break.
Daena is funny. This is gonna be very funny.
This will be